Welcome to the channel. Today in this tutorial, let's see how to run Python programs in command prompt. In Python, programs can be written and run in two main modes. One is interactive mode, another one is script mode. In the interactive mode, we'll type the code line by line and it runs immediately. And in the script mode, we'll write the code in a file, we'll save that file and then run the whole program at once. So now, to run Python programs in command prompt, first we need to open the command prompt. And here Python is installed in our system. So if I type Python here, we'll get this Python interactive mode. Here you can see this symbol, right? So this indicates that we are in the interactive mode. Here if I want to write some code, print, and I'll press enter. In the next line we'll get the output. And if we want to add numbers a plus b, in the interactive mode we can run the program like this. Then what about the script mode? For that, first open a text editor, and here I am using Notepad, and let's write the code something like this. After writing the code, next step is we need to save this file. So save, Ctrl S. Let's take our file name as example, and here we can see save as type, right? It is text documents now. We need to change that. We need to give this to all files, and also this is a Python file, so example.py, py extension for Python files. So example.py file name, save as type as all files. Then click on this save. Now let's close this window. In the desktop, we can see this example file. We saved this file in the desktop. Here if I right click on this, go to the properties and here details. Here you can see file location. Okay, now we need to run this program using command prompt, right? So open the command prompt now. To run the program in the command prompt, in the script mode, what we need to type is Python space file name. The command is Python space file name with .py extension. So let's type that Python space file name is example.py and I'll press enter. So I'll get error here, no such file or directory. Why? That is because the command prompt runs files from the current working directory. Which is the current working directory here? This one, right? And here you can see the file location, our file location, okay? So it will check whether this file is present in this directory. No, right? This file is not in this directory. It is in the desktop folder. So that's why we'll get this error, no such file or directory. So before writing this command, what we need to do is we need to change the directory. When we run a Python program from command prompt, we often need to change directory so the terminal is pointing to the folder where your script is saved. Our script is saved in the desktop folder. So I need to use cd command and I need to write desktop. Now we are in the desktop folder. Now we can write Python space example.py and now we'll get the output. Because here this file is in the desktop folder, so it will run that file and we'll get the output. And now what if our file is in the folder? Here you can see if I right click on this, go to properties and details. Here this is our file location now. Okay. So now how to run this file in the command prompt? Very simple. Now currently we are in this directory. We need to go to that folder where our file is saved. So you can use cd command and then desktop and backslash, then new folder. You can do this separately also. Then press enter. So we are in the new folder now, Python space example.py, and we'll get the output. This changing the directory is little bit complicated, right? We can execute the Python file in another way also. In that, no need to change the directory. What we need to do is first type Python. Then here we need to give the full path of that file. Here we need to use double quotes and here example.py. Here is the space, right? That's why we need to use double quotes. Here we can see the full path of this file. Then enter. Here you can see the output. Okay, so this is how we can run Python programs in command prompt. That's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in next class. Till then, take care.